If you record live into Audio Note Taker, then you can use colour to mark important points in the audio and make text notes as you record. It's simpler to keep focus in the audio pane as you'll have access to the simple shortcut keys. Connect a good microphone. A laptop's inbuilt mic will probably not be good enough. Open a new project tab. You can use a blank project option from the Home tab. Choose the colour key you want to use for the recording from the sidebar, and then click on the drop-down arrow under the Record button and check Record From. This should have your microphone selected, but you can choose any of the devices currently connected to your computer. When you are ready to record, hit the Record button. You'll see the audio chunks start appearing. You can colour any important chunks using the colour key in the sidebar, or just use the simple shortcut keys 1 to 5 for chunks, 6 to 9 for sections. If you want to return to the default chunk colour, then just press 0. For the simple shortcuts to work, you need to have focus in the audio pane. The pane with the blue header is the one that has focus. If you're not in the audio pane, then you can use the complex shortcuts. Control 1 to 5 for chunk colouring, Control 6 to 9 for section colouring, and Control 0 to return the chunk to default. Control Shift 0 will change the section colour to default. As the speaker moves onto a new topic, use the Section button or the Enter key to move the audio into a new section. It's good to add a little text in each section to say what the section is about. With focus in the audio pane, you can just start typing. Everything you type will be added to the text pane for you. When you press Enter, focus moves back to the audio pane where you can continue to use the simple shortcuts. You can carry on typing and the extra text will be added to the text pane again. When you have finished, press the Stop button, fill in the tag information to make it easier to find your recording later, and save your file. As mentioned before, it is easier to leave the focus in the audio pane so that you can use the simple shortcut keys and just start typing to capture your text notes. If you find yourself in a different pane, then you can use the shortcut Alt right arrow to move focus back to the audio pane. If you're going to be adding lots of text notes, including bulleted or numbered lists, then you may want to work from the text pane. You can still add colour to the audio and add new sections. You'll just need to use the complex shortcut keys. These are normally Control plus the simple shortcut. Control and R will start and stop recording. Control and Enter will add a new section. This will also move your text cursor. To move it yourself, use Page Up or Page Down. Control 1 to 5 will colour chunks, Control 0 to return it to the default colour, and Control 6 to 9 will colour sections.